Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 on a school Chromebook. This easy method leverages cloud gaming, which streams the game directly to your device over the internet. You won't need to install the game, saving valuable storage space and avoiding performance issues. Your Chromebook acts as a display, receiving video, and sending your inputs to a powerful remote server. This makes playing high-fidelity games like Forza Horizon 5 entirely possible, even on less powerful hardware. The primary service for this method is Xbox Cloud Gaming, which is included with an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. First, ensure you have an active subscription. Then, open your Chromebook's Chrome browser and go to the official Xbox Cloud Gaming website. Log in using your Microsoft account that holds the Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Once logged in, simply locate Forza Horizon 5 within the extensive game library and click Play to begin your racing adventure. For an optimal experience, a compatible Bluetooth controller is absolutely necessary. Playing with a keyboard and mouse is not supported for most cloud games. Easily pair your controller through your Chromebook's Bluetooth settings. Furthermore, a strong and stable internet connection is crucial. Aim for a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection if possible, and a minimum download speed of 20 megabits per second will provide smooth gameplay. A wired connection, if available, offers the most reliability. School networks often have firewalls or content filters that might block gaming services or throttle bandwidth. If you encounter issues, a virtual private network, or VPN, can help bypass these restrictions by encrypting your traffic. Alternatively, using a personal mobile hotspot from your phone can provide an unrestricted internet connection, though data limits apply. Always remember to respect your school's technology policies and use these methods responsibly. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.